Last episode, you launched one post-purchase offer. This one is about making it actually profitable. Launching an offer is easy, launching the right one is not. You can show the wrong product, use the wrong discount, write a weak follow-up, and still see a few extra sales appear in Shopify. That doesn't mean the system is working. The goal isn't more people clicking yes, it's more profitable revenue per customer without burning trust or giving away margin. So in this video, we'll show you how to choose, sequence, test, and improve post-purchase offers, how to pick the first offer, when to add a second, what to show after someone accepts or declines, which variable to test first, and how to choose a winner on profit instead of vanity metrics. We call it the Post-Purchase Profit Playbook. Quick context if you're new, I'm Darjan, co-founder from Skuology and Upsellr. We made 300 million in tracked revenue across more than 80 plus Shopify brands. From that, about 50 million from upsells. And the real difference is between stores that launch an offer and forget it, and the stores that learn from every acceptance, every decline, and every order. A basic post-purchase offer asks, what else can we sell? A strong system asks better questions. Which offer fits the exact purchase? Does the customer need a complement, a refill, an upgrade, or a bigger quantity? What does an acceptance tell us? What does a decline tell us? Would another product make more profit even at a lower acceptance rate? Because two offers can produce very different results. Offer A might convert at 20%, offer B at 12%. A looks like the winner. But if B has stronger margin, higher revenue per view, and fewer refunds, B may be the better business decision. Acceptance list alone is never enough. So stop hunting for one winning product and build a decision tree instead. The customer buys product A, which triggers offer B. If they accept, you might show offer C. Because they're shown stronger intent, if they decline, you might show a smaller, easier version of B, or on the end of the flow because another offer would feel maybe too aggressive. Every step is driven by what they already told you. The original purchase tells you what they want, and acceptance tells you they're open to expanding the order. A decline tells you the product, price, quantity, or timing wasn't strong enough. So treat those actions as data and the system gets smarter. Upseller supports flows with an initial offer and different follow-up paths for accept and decline. Free mistakes specific to optimizing since the basics of relevance and pricing were in the end episode. One is testing too many variables at once. One version changes the product, discount, copy, shipping, and image. If it wins, you don't know why. Change one important variable at a time. Number two is choosing the winner by revenue. One offer can produce more gross sales but less contribution margin. Revenue is useful but profit is better. Calling a test too early, a few sales create false confidence, and one strong day can make a weak offer feel like a winner. Upseller's guidance warns that tests under roughly 200 users per variant rarely produce trustworthy conclusions. The post-purchase profit playbook comes down to 5 steps. Number one, choose the strongest first offer. Start with what they bought, then use the relevance hierarchy. Complement, improve, protect, extend, and replenish. Coffee machines to pots, toothbrush to replacement heads. Pick the clearest immediate link, not the biggest inventory problem or the deepest available discount. Relevance beats the discounts. Number two, decide what happens after acceptance. An accepted offer means stronger intent, but that doesn't mean pile on another product. Ask, is there one more offer that makes the combined purchase complete? Buy a machine, accept the pots and filters may fit. A branded mug is one decision too many. An accepted follow-up should feel like the final piece, not the start of a new funnel. Number three, decide what happens after a decline. A downsell should address the likely reason primarily. Free pack refill for $36. So decline downsell is add one refill for $14. Lower quantity reduces the commitment. A completely different random product doesn't solve the objection, and sometimes the best declined path is no second offer at all. Number four, test one variable at a time. A useful order is product, then discount, then angle or copy, then the quantity, and then the follow-up, and at last is the shipping. Start with the product because the strongest match matters more than the button text. Test the toothpaste versus the tongue scraper at the same discount and placement copy, and you see which product the customers actually prefer. Number 5, choose the winner by profit, not just which sold more. Look at acceptance, revenue per offer, view gross margin, contribution profit, refund and cancellation rate, and repeat behavior. A high acceptance built on a massive discount can quietly weaken the economics. The goal is the most profitable offer that still gives the customer a good experience. And this is the whole point, so make it concrete. Offer A, accessory at $10, 20% acceptance, $6 profit each. Offer B, premium accessory at $22, 12% acceptance, $14 profit each. Per 100 offer views, offer A is 20 times $6, which is $120. Offer B is 12 times $14, which is $168. Offer A has the better acceptance rate, but offer B makes more profit. And that's why you never choose a winner from one metric. An upseller start with the initial offer, the trigger, purchase, complimentary product, discount, shipping, and then decide whether you need an accepted follow-up, a declined downsell, or no extra step. Once the campaign has traffic and a test variant, change one variable. Set the split, choose the winning metric, and let it run long enough to produce real data. Upseller supports standard and optimized strategies, so accept and decline paths, and testing controls like traffic split, confidence level, and minimum runtime, and sample size. For low volume stores, don't over-test. Launch the strongest assumption. Watch and improve manually when enough data exists. There are 2 ways to use the playbook. Install Upseller and build your own flow. One high volume purchase, one strong next product, and launch the initial offer. Then test one variable after you have traffic. Or apply for the visible second sale implementation, where we analyze the product relationships, data, margins, acceptance, and map to the sequence, choose the offers, write the copy for you, install the flow, and refine it on real purchase data. Here's what to do next. Choose one of your most common purchases, find the strongest product that complements, improves, protects, extends, or replenishes it. Launch one post-purchase offer and keep the first version simple. One product, one benefit, one incentive, and one decision. And measure acceptance, revenue, and other metrics. Once you have enough data, test one variable, not 5. Then pick the winner on profit and customer experience, not the metric that looks best in the screenshot. And that's the full series. Product page, cart, and post-purchase, all working together. A single offer can add revenue. A refined system builds a stronger business. And you just stop guessing, start learning, and turn every checkout into a better profit opportunity with the Post-Purchase Profit Playbook.